Well, it's early in the morning here in Cagnes Sur Mer. The sun is shining. They got the fruit stands open this morning. That's nice. But for me, I need my coffee. Well guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but it's another beautiful day out here on the Mediterranean. I'm gonna go sit on the beach, have my lunch. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful today out here. And you know, the sun is shining. All the restaurants are closed, but what can you do, right? Take out only. But have a look at this place. Yeah, the beach looks good right now, and surprising, there's a bunch of people out here even with lockdown. And you know, hey, I'm gonna have my coffee, enjoy my lunch on the beach. Have a look at that for a sandwich. Oh yeah, yum. I'm gonna have my lunch with my coffee. Right on. I've eaten enough of my lunch and might as well feed the birds. Well, it's a beautiful spot to have my lunch, right on the beach here. But when you walk around, it's really different because it's locked down, so that means you can't come outside unless you walk your dog, go to the grocery store, go to the pharmacy, or pick up your children from school. And I'm seeing a lot of people outside during lockdown, and it's a bit strange to see. You know, the restaurants are empty, and that's typical because it's lockdown. You can buy something, but only for takeout, and that's a bit different because so many people are losing money every day by not being able to have their restaurants open, any shops, so everybody's losing a lot of money. This place would be really busy every single day at lunchtime, and as you can see, it's pretty empty. I look at it like, wow, lots of cars though. Even the little side streets, not even busy. Everything's shut down. Well, I could do it with an ice cream. A lot of people are doing renovations on their restaurants right now. Here's one called Zuzu. Looks like an ice cream place. Guys, I had to show you this morning how beautiful Cagnes Sur Mer is. I'm on the beach. Look at that beautiful sunrise. Glistening on the water. Oh, it's fantastic. You know, I always feel blessed when I get to come to places like this and have a look and just enjoy the sunshine, the beach, everything around. It's like, wow. Gotta love the Mediterranean Sea. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm out here in Cagnes Sur Mer, chilling. So nice with that sunset tonight.